Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for the new subscribers, kindly subscribe, like the video, comment and share. Today we are going to cook a dish called Githeri. Githeri is an African dish that is eaten by the Kikuyu people in Kenya, though the other tribes have also embraced it. I believe it's also eaten widely in East Africa. Githeri is just a combination of beans and corn, or what we call maize. So yesterday I went to the market and I bought these seeds, that is the beans and the corns that were mixed together, and they were dried ones. Sometimes you can get the soft one, but I got the dried ones. So to cook the dry ones, you have to soak them, because if you cook them directly, they will consume a lot of gas or whatever you're using for cooking. And also it takes so long for it to get cooked. It takes so long, so you have to spend a lot of time. So I decided to soak them overnight. I washed them, rinsed them, and then I soaked them using just a spoonful of baking soda overnight. At the same time, I found very nice beans, which I decided also to buy, and I soaked them because they take the same process as the Githeri. I decided to boil them so that I can store them in the fridge for later cooking, because I like eating my beans with rice. The first step was to soak, and now this is the second step, which is just washing the beans or rinsing the beans so that I can boil them, the beans and the Githeri, separately to save on time. While rinsing, you have to use a lot of water so that the overnight soaked water can get drained easily. Actually therapeutic, washing the beans and rinsing. You feel like you're just playing with something in the hands, so it's fun to me. After rinsing both the beans and the Githeri, I just put them to boil and ensured that they had enough water so that they cannot burn. point, I had to be very, very, very patient, and I had to also keep checking, because if I'm not checking, maybe the food can burn. So I kept adding some water to ensure that they boil easily and also they boil without burning. That they are cooked, I had to press especially the beans, and when I found they were soft, I definitely knew that now they are ready, and I removed them from the fire. After cooking, now after they are ready, you have to drain. You have to drain the beans and also drain the githeri, because we don't need to use that water. It's kind of a soup, but we don't need to use it. Usually, for me, when I use that water for cooking, I get some crumbling of the stomach, and sometimes you feel like you have to pass gas a lot. So the best thing to do is to rinse them off that water that you've cooked with them. Counting that it's bulk cooking, because you can't cook githeri that you'll eat only for one meal, or boil the beans that you're going to use for one meal, because it will be very expensive. You realize that there's a lot of it, so I have to wait for them to cool, and then after they cool, I store them. There are many ways that you can store, but I just decide to store them on the Ziploc and then put them in the freezer, in the fridge. I was so happy because I had a lot of beans, and I had like 2 bags of githeri, and I decided to store all the beans because I wanted just to cook githeri. I had missed githeri a lot, a big deal actually. Since we are cooking githeri here, so I decided to add some vegetables like capsicum, coriander, cabbage, onion, and also carrots, so that at least the githeri can taste nice. Finally, my githeri is ready. I'm so excited. Actually, I'm salivating. I really need to eat it, and it's yummy, it's healthy as well. I hope you followed the process and you can try it at home in case it's your dish. I know you enjoy cooking it. In case it's a new dish to you, you can try it out, and if you have a question, put it down there on the comment below. I'll be waiting and I'm going to answer all the questions that you have. In the video, kindly subscribe, like the video, share and comment. By the way, do you have a similar dish in your country? If you do, what do you call it? And do you cook it in the same way or you cook it differently? If you cook it differently, share your recipe. I may want to try it. That's it for today. Hang around for more videos. Thank you.